Once you finish setting up your Spotlight Cam in the Ring app, your Spotlight Cam may start flashing white to indicate that it's updating. If this happens, wait until it stops flashing before installing your Spotlight Cam. After the in-app setup is complete, press the Live View button in the Ring app to see live video from your Spotlight Cam. If everything looks good, take your Spotlight Cam outside to the install location. Select the Live Video button in the Ring app to access live video from your Spotlight Cam again. If video quality looks great at both locations, go ahead and install your Spotlight Cam. If you see video quality issues at the install location, find a location closer to your Wi-Fi router to install your Spotlight Cam. You can also extend your Wi-Fi signal with our Ring Chime Pro. The optimal installation height for Spotlight Cam is 9 feet or 3 meters off the ground. At this height, with the motion detector parallel to the ground, Spotlight Cam is optimized to detect human-sized objects at up to 30 feet. Spotlight Cam can be mounted on a wall or an eave by simply changing the direction of the mounting plate. To do this, first open the battery door by pressing the button on the back of it. Next, remove the security screw and the weather seal. Press the release button and slide the mounting plate out. To mount on a wall, insert the mounting plate with the ball socket pointing down. If you want to mount Spotlight Cam on an eave, insert the mounting plate with the ball socket pointing up. Firmly close the battery door until you hear a click. Insert the weather seal and tighten the security screw to lock the plate in place. Once you've identified your install location, use the mounting bracket to mark the holes so you know where to install the bracket. If you're mounting the bracket to a masonry surface like stucco or brick, use the provided drill bit to make the holes and insert the wall anchors into them. If installing on a wood surface, you can screw the install screws directly into your wall. Pop your Spotlight Cam into the socket. When you're happy with the position of your Spotlight Cam, tighten the screw in the collar with the Phillips end of the screwdriver bit to lock it into place. You're now ready to use your Spotlight Cam. If you need more help, please visit ring.com/help.
Status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a